Alright guys, well, we're going to talk about this car. Now I did a video and took lots of video of, buying the car, picking it up. I even took some parts off, got it ready and everything, and it didn't record. So we'll pick up right here and go over it. This is a 2003 Jaguar X-Type. As you can see, it has been wrecked on the front. It looks a little worse now because I went and cut the hood open on both sides so I can open it up. Now I've already taken the intake off, some other parts and stuff. Get ready to sell on eBay because that's the only way this car's going to make any money. I did look into maybe, repairing the front up here and everything and selling the car, but at max value, after doing all the work, it's not worth it. But walking around the car, it's got a lot of good parts on it. So we still got plenty of more parts we could take off. I already took some interior parts off, but there's still a lot more to go. The shift tower I'm going to take. The steering wheel I'm going to leave on just because it's already got the airbag busted. But the car's in pretty good shape overall, as far as parts car anyway. This DVD player, touchscreen, audio system also has the AC involved in it, all that's going to come out. That's going to be a good part to sell. All the dash parts, I'll take them out and sell them. I may or may not do the sunroof. I might just take the motor out and sell the motor. I'm taking the window motors out, some of the door panel parts. We're going to take the seats. Instead of selling a whole seat, we're going to part it out. We're going to do headrest, backs, bottoms. We're going to take all that and sell it separate. Same thing with the back. We'll probably sell it in pieces. But of course the car won't start because when it got wrecked, it pushed everything up against the engine, so there's no room for it to turn. But when we get done with all that, and get all the parts we're going to sell, get them all off, taillights to go, we're going to scrap this car. And between scrapping it and selling all the parts, I'm hoping that I can make my money back off of it. Like I said, I had a video where I bought everything, bought the car, picked it up and all that. Right now I've got $300 into the car. It's got a salvage title, and being wrecked in the front like that, like I said, it's just not worth fixing, so we are parting it out. Hopefully it'll go well. I'll take some more video when I go take more parts off, and maybe I'll do some video of the stuff selling on eBay. We'll go from there. Alright guys, here's my little garage area. It's not really a garage, but this is some of the parts I took off. The intake, as you can see, I cleaned it. I cleaned it with aluminum braid, aluminum clean, whatever brand it is. It's acid. Power steering reservoir, some hoses and stuff, some sensors. I took this off, and it's the airbox cover, but when I took it off, it got caught on the end and broke it, so it's not worth anything. But that's okay, we still got some good parts here. We're going to find out how much he's been selling for on eBay. Like I said, I got it real good and clean. It was real nasty. And we'll see what they sell for. I'll let you guys know what's up. Hopefully we make some money on it.
Break it down, yo, bitch bag, hella tats, big stacks, coming through like who's that? AK must have heard of me, mister, you wanna murder me.